Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the circles. Look at the pictures on the screen, and in our daily life also we come across a number of objects like bangle, ring, pizza, like wheel, coin, compact disc. And did you find anything common? Yes, their shape. The wheel, coin, CD, they all have circular cross section. In this video we will learn all about the circle and its basic types. So, first of all, let's know how to draw a circle. Take a piece of thread, fix one end of the thread at point O, as in the figure, and tie another end with pencil and stretch the thread towards the point A and hold the thread and pencil tightly. Start moving the pencil around point O and stop moving it when it reaches the point A again. Now remove the pencil and there is some path traced by the pencil. Is this the path traced by the pencil, a straight line or a circle? Definitely a circle. So in this way we can define circle that the path traced by the point moving at a fixed distance from a fixed point on a plane surface is called the circle. In other words, circle is the collection of points at a fixed distance from a fixed point. In fact, circle is a two-dimensional closed figure. Let's learn about the parts of the circle. So, first is center. The fixed point around which the path is traced is called the center, and the fixed distance is called the radius. Or we can say radius is defined as the distance between the center of circle and a point on the circle. It is also the line segment joining the center and the point on the circle. It is denoted by small r. And next is diameter. Diameter comes from the word diametro. Di means across or through, metro means measure. Diameter is the line segment passing through the center of the circle, joining the 2 points on the boundary of the circle. So in this figure you can see that the diameter is made up of 2 radii. So from here we can say that diameter, which is denoted by small d, is 2 times the radius, which is very important relationship between the diameter and the radius of the circle. So next is chord. Chord is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So all these are the chords, and when the any one of the chord which passes through the center, it becomes the diameter of the circle. So in this way we can say that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So next term is circumference. Suppose you want to calculate the distance covered by an athlete around the circle in one round. How will you calculate it? How will you find it? Because it's not possible to measure the distance around the boundary of circle with ruler. Then how will you do it? Just take a thread, place its one end at any one point A, let us suppose A, on the boundary of the circle, then place the thread on this boundary of the circle until it reaches the point A. Then cut the other end of the circle of the thread at point A. Now measure the length of the thread. This length of the thread is nothing, that is just a circumference. Circumference is defined as the length of the boundary of the circle, which is a perimeter of a closed figure. So next term is tangent. Tangent is a line which touches the circle exactly at one point. And this point is called the point of contact. And we know that through this point we can draw infinite lines, as you can see in the figure. But out of these infinite lines, there is one and only one line which touches the circle exactly at one point. So we have one and only one tangent at one point of the circle. And out of these infinite lines, all other lines which passes through the circle and intersect the circle at two different points, these are called the secants of the circle. So next is the segment. When we draw a chord in the circle, the circular region is divided into two regions. The smaller region is called the minor segment and the larger is called the major segment. And what if the chord becomes the diameter? Yes, then the circle is divided into two equal parts and each part is called semicircle. So next is arc. Yes, the small part of the boundary of the circle is called arc. If the length of the arc is smaller than the semicircle, then it is called minor arc. And if length of the arc is larger than the semicircle, then it is called major arc. And the arc is represented by the symbol arc on its name, like ALB is the minor arc and we have put the symbol on it. And in the same manner, we can write the name of the major arc AMB. So next is sector. Sector is the region enclosed by the arc and the two radii of the circle. And if the arc is minor, then we have minor sector, and if arc is major, then the region enclosed by the major arc and the two radii is called the major sector. And the one best example to show the sector is the slices of the pizza. Yes, here we have all the terms together related to the circle. I hope you like the video. Thank you.